When you guys read the PCA, presuming that the judge grants our motion, you will have to question, is this what happens after 5 years of an investigation? Is this what it is? We don't have any other evidence. We don't have any discovery. That's all we have, and we are not impressed.
Meanwhile, the Carroll County prosecutor wants the case documents to remain sealed.
So WRTV's Caitlin Kendall shows us what happened in court and what the judge is doing now.
Special Judge Frankel heard arguments from both the state and the defense. Only time will tell if she chooses to unseal the court documents in the case against Delphi murder suspect Richard Allen. A line before sunrise outside the Carroll County Courthouse. Heavy police presence.
Our client's the wrong guy.
Confidence from Richard Allen's defense team.
I've looked my client in the eye, and he's looked me in the eye, and he's told me what he's told me. I'm innocent. Thank you for helping me out.
That's one of the main reasons why they want the documents unsealed.
I think it's pretty obvious we want the public to see it. I think it's very lean in terms of facts and evidence.
His attorneys called the PC detailing the evidence against Allen boring, flimsy, and disappointing for a 5-year investigation.
It may be weird for defense lawyers, I suppose, to be arguing that we want things unsealed, but that's how confident we are in our client. That's how confident we are that the evidence contained in at least what's written in the probable cause affidavit is nothing for us to worry about.
They also hope releasing the documents will cause more tips to come in, proving Allen's innocence.
We're getting a lot of calls from a lot of people that don't believe that Rick is the guy.
Allen was escorted into a Carroll County courtroom in a yellow jumpsuit, a bulletproof vest, his arms bound to his chest, and shackles on his ankles.
Confused is probably a word that I would use, bewildered. I don't know how any human could possibly deal with, the kind of tornado that is the judicial system, and then you add all of this, this other layer into it, and then you've got social media on top of it.
Allen's attorneys cited transparency and allowing the public a chance to see the truth and facts in the case as a reason for unsealing the documents, and said there has been no real evidence presented on threats made to anyone's safety. One of the main reasons why the prosecutor says he wants to keep the documents sealed. In court, Carroll County Prosecutor Nicholas McLeland said the integrity of the investigation is at risk and added that they have good reason to believe that Allen did not act alone, saying there could be others involved. The defense said that is merely speculation and conjecture.
You guys will read the probable cause affidavit, and you may wonder why they are focused on our client.
Working for you, Caitlin Kendall, WRTV.
Carroll County Prosecutor Nicholas McLeland did not make himself available to the media after the hearing adjourned.
And today, the judge scheduled Richard Allen's bail hearing for February 17th. Yesterday, Allen's lawyers filed a petition to the court to release Allen under his own recognizance without bail or to set what they call a reasonable bail. The judge could make that decision on February 17th. Allen's trial is still scheduled to begin March 20th.
After today's hearing, the Carroll County prosecutor filed a request asking the judge to issue a gag order in this case. He's asking for a number of people to be prohibited from talking publicly about the case, including attorneys, law enforcement, and family members. The prosecutor cited the extensive media attention for this, and he said the continued publicity would impact a fair trial and potential jury members. It's not clear when the judge will decide on a gag order request at this point.